In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image into callouts in Excel. If you've ever wanted your screenshots or photos to speak on a worksheet, maybe to highlight a number or add a note, callouts are perfect. Excel can mask your image into a speech bubble style shape in just a few clicks, and you don't need any external design tool. Start with your picture already placed on the sheet. First, click the image so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges and the Picture Format tab appears on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, the image probably isn't selected yet, so click it once more until it is. This tab is where all the picture tools live. Next, look for the Crop button on the Picture Format tab. It's usually toward the right side. Instead of clicking the main crop icon, click the small arrow just beneath it. That arrow opens a menu of options related to cropping. The icon itself would put you into manual crop mode, but the arrow is what reveals the quick shortcuts we need. From that drop-down menu, choose Crop to Shape. This tells Excel to keep your full image intact while displaying it inside a shape. Think of it like putting your photo behind a custom-shaped window. The picture stays, and the shape defines what's visible. When the shape gallery appears, scroll down to the Callout section and pick a design that fits your message. You'll see different styles, such as rounded rectangles with a tail, cloud-like callouts, or line callouts with a pointer you can position later. Choose the one that matches the tone of your worksheet: clean and simple for dashboards, playful for quick notes, or a cloud callout for something more standout. Click your preferred callout, and Excel instantly applies it to the picture. Behind the scenes, Excel is masking the photo rather than chopping it up, so the quality of your image stays the same. The visible area depends on the shape and your image's proportions, which is completely normal. You can repeat the same menu path at any time to switch to a different callout style if you want a new look. And because it's still a picture, you can continue to use standard formatting options like picture border, picture effects, brightness, and contrast to refine the final result so it blends perfectly with the rest of your sheet. That's all there is to it. Select the image, open the Crop drop-down, choose Crop to Shape, and pick a callout. It's a quick, polished way to make your visuals clearer and your worksheets more engaging.